Welcome to Unique Medical's unveiling of the Pocket Handheld Vein Finder system. Today I'm going to unpack the portable vein finder so that way you see what you're actually purchasing and the contents that are available inside the portable handheld vein finder system box. Thank you for watching. It comes complete with a remote and complete with the instructions. Comes complete with a paper ruler and a marker. The portable vein finder is in its protective case. Comes complete with a travel plug. And it comes complete with a power adapter to charge the system. There's a green LED button letting you know once it's charging and once it's fully charged. Thank you for watching Unique Medical.